Chapter 1. Introduction. Don't panic. This is the moment every node operator dreads. You've had your Hyra AI node running perfectly for days, even weeks. You see tasks completing, rewards accumulating, and then, one day, you check your dashboard and see this. Your first feeling is probably panic. Is my hardware broken? Did I do something wrong? Am I losing potential rewards? My first advice is simple. Don't panic. Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. In today's masterclass, we're opening the toolbox. This is the node operator's survival guide. We will methodically review the most common issues you might encounter running a node, from simple physical problems to more complex software configurations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to self-diagnose and fix 99% of common node issues. You'll move from a user to a confident, true operator. Let's get started. Chapter 2. Level 1. Troubleshooting. Physical and local checks. The first rule of any technical troubleshooting is to start with the simplest and most obvious things first. Before touching any code or config files, you must check your physical and local setup. Issue 1. My node is completely offline. Cause A. Power outage. I know it sounds basic, but is the computer turned on? Is the power cable firmly plugged into both the outlet and the machine? This is the most common issue. As we mentioned in the optimization guide, using an uninterruptible power supply, UPS, is the best defense against short power outages. Cause B. Internet connection lost. Your node is useless without internet. Check your router. Are the lights blinking? Is your Ethernet cable securely plugged in? Open a web browser on the machine and run a quick speed test. Remember, we always recommend a stable wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi for maximum reliability. Cause C. Software crash or freeze. Sometimes the Hyra node application itself can freeze. O. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+ES to open Task Manager. Find the Hyra process. If it's not responding, select it and click End Task. Then restart the application. O on Mac, open your activity monitor. Find the Hyra process and quit it if it's frozen. Then relaunch it. A simple software restart can fix an astonishing number of issues. Cause D. Computer went to sleep mode. As we mentioned in the optimization guide, you must disable sleep and hibernation modes. Let's quickly review how to check those settings. Chapter 3. Level 2. Troubleshooting. Software and configuration. Okay, you've confirmed the machine has power, internet is working, and the OS is running, but your node still isn't functioning properly. It's time to move to Level 2 and look at software configuration. Issue 2. My node is stuck or out of sync. This usually means your node is running but can't communicate properly with the rest of the Hyra network. Or cause A. Outdated node software. This is a very common problem. The Hyra network is constantly updated. If your node software is too old, other nodes may reject its connection for security and compatibility reasons. O. Show node dashboard. First, check your current version number here. Then visit the official Hyra website or Discord announcements to see what the latest version is. If you're running an old version, download and install the update. Cause B. Docker issues. The node runs inside a Docker container, and sometimes Docker itself can have problems. Let's learn a few basic but powerful Docker commands. O. Open your terminal or command prompt. O for sessions. First type docker ps. This command lists all running containers. You should see your Hyra container here. If not, it means the container isn't running. O. To investigate, you can check the logs. Type docker logs followed by your container name. This often gives you a specific error message. O. Usually, just restarting is enough. Type docker restart followed by the container name. Cause C. Firewall or port issues. Your computer's or router's firewall might be blocking connections. Hyra's documentation specifies which network ports need to be open for the node to communicate. We'll show you how to check firewall settings to ensure the Hyra app is allowed through. Show a brief guide on Windows Defender Firewall and macOS firewall settings. Chapter 4, Level 3, Troubleshooting, Requesting Help. You've checked the physical layer, you've checked the software layer, and you're still stuck. It's time for Level 3, asking for help. But asking for help effectively is a skill. Step 1, check official sources first. Before asking, check Hyra's official status page or their announcement channels. The issue might be a network-wide problem that the team is already addressing. Step 2, how to ask for help in the community, Discord/Telegram. When you're ready to ask, be prepared. Writing a good support request will help you get a solution 10 times faster. Here's what to include. 1. A clear, concise description of the problem. What did you expect to happen, and what happened instead? 2. Your node software version, e.g. v1.2.3. 3. Your operating system, e.g. Windows 11, macOS Sonoma. 4. The most important part, your logs. Remember the Docker logs command we learned? Copy and paste about the last 50 lines of your log output. This contains the technical error messages the support team needs. Important security reminder. Under no circumstances should you ever share your private keys or 12-word seed phrase. No legitimate admin, moderator, or support staff will ever ask you for these. Anyone who does is a scammer. Chapter 5, Proactive Maintenance, Preventing Issues. The best way to fix an issue is to prevent it from happening in the first place. Here are some professional habits for keeping your node healthy long-term. Habit 1. Regular restarts. Once a week or every 2 weeks, perform a clean reboot of your machine. This clears your RAM and can prevent many performance degradation issues over time. Habit 2. Monitor hardware health. Use simple, free tools to monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures. Overheating can cause crashes and damage your hardware. Ensure your machine has good airflow. Habit 3. Follow official announcements. Join Hyra's official Discord and Twitter. This is the best way to learn about upcoming network upgrades or mandatory software updates before they become a problem for your node. Chapter 6, Conclusion. From operator to expert, let's recap our troubleshooting guide. 1. Level 1. Check physical. Is it plugged in? Is it online? Is it asleep? 2. Level 2. Check software. Is it updated? Is Docker running? Is the firewall blocking it? 3. Level 3. Ask the community. But do it with accurate info, especially your logs. Troubleshooting isn't about magically knowing every error code. It's about having a calm, methodical process to find solutions. Today, you've learned that process. You've gained a valuable skill that takes you from a simple node user to a confident, professional operator. If you found this survival guide helpful, please let us know by hitting like and subscribing to the Hyra Deep Dive channel. In the next video, we'll return to the investment side and analyze overall portfolio strategy for Hyra. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching and stay online.